Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Gus Brown Buick GMC here in Whitby with an absolutely incredible find. This is a 2023 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 Crew Cab. Wow, look at this truck. I mean, this is able to take on anything you want to throw at it. We are going to take you on a tour of this 2500. This has just over 99,000 kilometers on it. We're going to show you all the great features, the AT4 stuff, this incredible Duramax diesel engine, and more. So that way you can get a great look at this from the comfort of your own home, and then head here to Gus Brown to get into the driver's seat. And I mean, I would say bring a step stool, but it's got power board, so you don't even need that. All right, let's talk about it. Now, up front, underneath this incredible looking hood, we have the Duramax 6.6 liter V8 turbo diesel engine. It's got the 10-speed Allison transmission. I mean, this is a beast. 445 horsepower, 910 foot-pounds of torque. A beast. That's the only way of describing this. You can tow 18,500 pounds with this. It has the trailering package. It also has the fifth wheel package as well. I mean, other than towing the space shuttle, I don't know what you would tow that's much more than this. So this is job site ready. Now, as you can see, it is the AT4 model. The AT4 giving you a ton of great features, and you can see it pretty clearly on the outside. We have a factory lift on the suspension. These are the AT4 exclusive alloy wheels. We have off-road suspension with Rancho shocks. So it's, again, if you're on the job site, if you're taking this up to the cottage on some really nasty roads, that's not a problem. It has got over 10 inches of ground clearance. Now, we've also got the 2-speed 4x4 transfer case, plus the Eaton locking rear differential. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. This is such an exciting truck. You can see from the side profile here is the full crew cab. We have the trailer towing mirrors, LED turn signals in the mirrors. Those are so nice. Take a look on the inside as well. Right? AT4 badge down below. Obviously, it's got the power boards. We'll show you that when we open it up. Now, this also features the safety package 2 and the driver alert package 2 and the AT4 premium package. So, yeah, absolutely loaded. Love the fact that we have the side step here on the back of the bed, a 6'6" box. Now, look at the massive leaf suspension we have back here. And again, those Rancho shocks as well. I mean, that thing is just beefed up so that way you can tow all of that weight. Around to the back, we've got the side step bumpers, the multi-pro tailgate as well. We have a 2.5-inch receiver. We've got the trailer brake controller already integrated into the truck on the inside as well. And then, look at that. Look at that big cannon at the back. Isn't that nice? So, opening up our tailgate, dampened tailgate, of course. I've got this already lifted up just to demonstrate to you the cool, what's this called? Oh my gosh, truck bed extender. Oh my gosh, I just lost my train of thought because it's so much fun. Love the extender that's built into here. This obviously folds back down as well. And then if you wanted to, you can drop this down to make getting in the back easier. Now, normally, I would say, you probably don't need that. I mean, you can just use it, but this is so high up. I would probably end up using that if I wanted to hop in the back. You could use the steps, but why not use this? It also has a handle built in. You can lift that up and use that if you want. Now, that's the one where I'd say, maybe, I don't know. Again, we've got the fifth wheel or gooseneck already in the back of the bed. We've got a 400-watt power outlet back here, so that makes tailgating and the job site that much easier. Now, let's lift up this tailgate. All right, continuing around the passenger side. Want to show you all four corners just to show you this thing is in beautiful condition. 99,000 K on that V8 is like nothing. This is just getting broken in. And now up to the front, HD logo, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, beautiful LED fog lights down below. And of course you get the red recovery tow hooks in the front and this beautiful front grille. Look at how high up I gotta go just to show you this incredible hood. It is so easy to get excited looking at a beautiful truck like this. Now let's go take a look in the back seats. We'll open up doors here. Our power boards extend down so the little ones can get into the back seat. And take a look at the interior. That AT4 classic interior with the baseball glove style leather accents. We've got, of course, some storage back here. We've got a big center armrest that folds down. These are heated outboard seats as well. Power sliding window, USB ports, heated seats, ventilation, cup holders, floor liners in the back as well. It doesn't get any better. Oh my gosh. Now up front, we've got the power sunroof, right? AT4 embroidered in the front headrests, a huge center console, big armrest. These are heated and air conditioned seats up front, and power driver's seat, power passenger seat. This is hooked up to a 2-driver memory setting with the easy entry exit assist. And before I forget to show you, yes, of course, there is the Bose stereo in this as well. Great looking door sill plates. Now, I mean, I'm gonna use the handle. I don't wanna fall, I only got one hand free. So hopping in, have a look around at the interior of your new truck. Oh, so nice. All right, so we have the safety package too. Forward emergency braking, forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning in the side view mirrors, lane keeping assist, a fantastic around view camera system. I'll show you that in the infotainment in just a moment. Automatic headlights plus a lot more. It's a really nice, robust safety system on this. Now we have a heated leather wrap steering wheel. You can see the nice leather wrap, the contrast stitching. Here's our heated steering wheel here. We've got our controls for our center display on the right-hand side. Check out the odometer, 99,723 kilometers on this. Now, to our driver's left, we have our 2-speed transfer case for the 4-wheel drive, plus our different drive modes with that trailer tow mode. And then our lighting system is just below that as well. Now, sliding over to the right, here is our infotainment system. So this is the upgraded package as well. You can see we've got XM satellite radio. We have onboard navigation. We also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If it will, hello, slide over, hello. Hello. Sticky finger, sorry, there we go. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Love the fact that it has user modes as well. If there's multiple drivers of this bad boy, you can create your own profile. When you hop in, all your settings are saved that way. XM radio, as I mentioned. Now, we also have onboard Wi-Fi with 4G LTE connection. You can connect over 10 devices to the Wi-Fi on this, and it's all powered through OnStar. It is by far a fantastic system, definitely worth subscribing to that if you've got kids. They don't need to hotspot your phone, they can just use the truck as a router. I love that idea, I think that's so cool. This does have the trailering app as well, so it allows you to basically have a checklist, hook up your trailer, put all the info in here, makes towing that much easier. Obviously, I'm gonna guess if you're buying a truck like this, you tow a lot. Most people don't buy a 2500 if they're just towing a little jet ski. I'm sure you'll know how to use this more than I will, but just wanted to let you know it is here, it's available, and you should definitely use that. Apps you can download, Spotify, GMC Maps, all sorts of great apps you can download here as well. And then of course, our camera system. Around view camera, front view, rear view. We've got all sorts of different views here. So obviously parking this won't be as, what's the word I'm looking for? Intimidating, maybe? I don't know. I didn't find it intimidating to back this and maneuver it around, but if you did, you've got all those views to help you out. So that way, of course, it makes life that much easier. Moving down from that, dual zone climate control, our heated or ventilated front seats, your choice up front. And then a lot of the safety systems and toggle switches are all right here. There's the integrated trailer brake controller, and of course more power options for the front passengers, including a wireless charging pad down here in our big center console. Now I left the keys here to show you that we also have a remote start, so you can get it started up, or you can even drop the tailgate from the keys. And then in our big center console, you guessed it, more USB ports and a ton more storage, including, you guessed it, 2 glove boxes. I think that's kind of a normal thing now on these Sierras. And then last but not least is, this is our vehicle build sheet. And this you can go through and check out every single option on this incredibly well-equipped 2500. And then here is our Carfax here. 7 service records, 1 very, very, very small collision in 2023 for a total of $4,700. And let's face it, that includes HST, that includes parts and labors, and you can't even walk into a body shop for less than $1,000 nowadays. So that is not a concern. What is the concern? Can you get here in time to pick up this absolutely gorgeous GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 HD Crew Cab? What a title, what a truck. We are so happy to have it here at Gus Brown. Thank you so much for watching, and we cannot wait to see who picks up this absolutely gorgeous truck right here at Gus Brown. We'll see you soon.